This is quarantine content. No sponsors yet.
Is it quarantine again?
It's quarantine content, guys. First, have you liked my previous videos? Did you subscribe Gearton?
No.
If no, do it now. What are you waiting? Stay safe. Stay home. I'm Iqbal. I approve the message. Today I'm just going to talk about the things that I like. Like for example, this one. I don't know how to solve it, but
Iqbal, this is not about you. This is another
trash unboxing.
I thought it was.
No, you go to your own channel and do this stuff. You don't belong to do this stuff in this one.
Another one.
I hope this is mine this time.
No.
No.
Not yours again.
Why?
No.
Alright, anyways, I'm just gonna,
Just give us cash. Get it.
It's just
No.
$1,000.
I cannot use cash.
USD. Oh, nice knife.
I'm a knife killer.
Oh, you're doing it.
Hey,
Just do it.
I'm opening, okay?
Just do it.
Don't threaten us with a knife.
Hey,
No. Stop.
just like a pizza rat.
Okay, calm down.
Oh yeah. Google again.
What again?
Did we open Google before?
Yeah, pixel buds. For that, check.
Check the card on the side. Is that what you mean?
No, I. It's just right in the eye, okay?
I button.
I button. I don't know, for some reason I said button instead of button.
I don't know.
Alright, so this one is Pixel 4 XL. So basically this is Team Pixel. So I've been a Pixel user myself. Where's my Pixel? So I've been using Pixel 2. Wait! I've been using Pixel 2 for the last 2 years. Around 2.5 years. And I absolutely love my Pixel. This one is basically next upgrade for Pixel. I'm just gonna do the comparison with Pixel 2 and Pixel 4. Why I'm upgrading to Pixel 4.
You mean Pixel 2 XL and Pixel 4 XL?
But that's not yours, so how you're upgrading?
Make it fake it.
Okay. Maybe.
It's the other way. Fake it till you make it.
He's gonna make it. Then he's gonna fake it.
My life mottos are different. If not you, who? I'm going to show you the device that I definitely not belong to me. But I'm just gonna do comparison video. It's not gonna be a trash unboxing 100%, but it's gonna be unboxing alright. Hey you.
It's me.
That's what she said.
Whoa! Alright. So, first of all, if you see this one, you will be able to take out the pen here.
They don't give you the Google sticker anymore?
I'm not entirely sure. Maybe there is any, but let me check here. No more Google sticker. Did they ever give it before?
No, I don't think so.
I don't think so. Alright, so I'm just gonna put it back inside, so it's just not gonna be a really huge deal for us. And this one have USB Type-C. Like I said, I have a great Type-C video right there. I actually use that video all the time, and I'm like, ha, very dumb. And this one is.
I like your shirt.
Nah, you don't.
I honestly like your shirt. Don't you like your shirt?
Yeah.
Nah.
Show us. What is it?
Okay, it's Google Chrome. Hey! Alright, back to it. So this one is USB A to C.
Okay, do you know what is that for?
This one is basically if you're transferring your files from other phones.
Okay, so after doing 4 videos, you think you know everything now, Iqbal?
Oh, I've been reading Google Pixel because I own Google Pixel 2, so I think
makes sense. Makes sense.
I mean, I know it's not my Pixel 4 XL.
You know it's not.
But
You know it's not your forte to know everything.
What do you mean? You guys are so mean.
You read descriptions from the box, Iqbal. You read descriptions from the
Hey,
box.
I'm Chromebook and I Google, okay?
And you approve this message.
I approve this message. And this is standard USB C to C, so you basically need to charge your phones. I'm just gonna open this phone here so we can turn it on and see how beautiful and glamorous this phone has been right now. So it's gonna be, let me open it right here, okay? So this one is Pixel 4
XL.
I'm just basically going to compare it right now.
This size?
I don't have any time right now, alright? So I'll just compare it. So it's basically almost similar, identical size. Nothing has changed as per the size goes.
I guess it's a little
And thickness
taller.
is a little bit, a little bit thicker because it's they have a bigger battery this time around. And of course, there's a huge camera bump. And one of the greatest difference that I found out is it's a glass to glass. At the same point, this one is not a fingerprint magnet. Why? So I'm just gonna log in first. So I'm just gonna tell you a great secret. My Wi-Fi password is banana.
007.
007. So if you want to hack my Wi-Fi, go ahead.
Do it. Just do it. If only they can know the username.
Hey, I know, right?
We have Wi-Fi. You gave it away. Just kidding.
we actually have Wi-Fi.
Do you?
Not so poor anymore. So yeah. Let's just simply log in first and compare it correctly. I like doing games here on my phone, and I believe
What
that
game do you even play, Iqbal, again?
It's,
Beach Ball?
Beach Boom.
Boom? With the Logitech mouse you just opened?
Beach Boom, boom. Yes, I opened Logitech mouse. Please check the video here as well, or the description below will also guide you to the video. No, I don't have any YouTube account at the moment, so I'm just gonna make a YouTube account to like my videos. Just to like the videos. I don't want to subscribe yet. Subscribe! So this one, the huge departure is there's no fingerprint reader as compared to the Pixel 2 XL has fingerprint reader. However, this one is also using face unlock, which is really amazing that, hey, if you don't want to open with your fingerprint, you can also open with your face unlock. And I'm going to use it right now. Hopefully we can give you a tutorial how it looks like. I'll just see. It's basically just like what iPhone did, but with the Google Touch, I believe. Let me try it now. So they are checking my face. This is really bad.
Keep it in, move it further behind so it stays in the frame. Oh god. Move it further back. There you go, finally. Thank you.
Okay. So they are giving me finishing touches. Psych. One of the best things I want to compare is the camera.
The camera or the Face ID?
The camera. The Face ID is good, however the camera is phenomenal. I'm just gonna take a photo of your photo. It's basically the same identical photo that I'll be taking here without any touching the phones. Click.
Iqbal, it's not a review video. This
We're
is
not
not
asking you to review it.
you don't even know the product. You just wrap it up. They're here for trash unboxings, not you.
You know what? I took it seriously. I thought it was a trash review. which is never gonna happen. Never happening. But hey, you want to watch trash reviews? Comment below and let me know. Comment below.
I'll wrap it up.
Alright. So basically comparing Pixel 2 XL to Pixel 4 XL, I like Pixels. There's no comparison. I bought Pixel 2 XL because I loved Google. I will buy Pixel 4 XL because I love Google. As simple as that.
You'll buy, but that's not yours.
Thank you for reminding this again and again. For the next time,
Peace. For
Bye.
next time, it's me, Iqbal.
for the next time, it's me,
Every time.
Iqbal. It's me, Iqbal.
Okay, guys, let
me.
us know what else you want us to trash, and if you still want this guy in his own segment, trash unboxing.
I'm the greatest trash unboxer you can ever find.